What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 easy ways to make money online right now. And the great thing is that all of these methods require very little to no money to get started. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button down below, but let's get straight into it with method number 1. Method number 1 is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially where you take someone's product or service and you actually promote it yourself to other people, whether it be friends, family, or a community that you're a part of. And then when someone actually clicks your unique link, so usually you get a unique link for this, when someone clicks your unique link, that is actually going to trigger this response to the affiliate platform or to the affiliate partner there. And that's essentially going to reward you with a piece of the pie. So a percentage of commission, this could range anywhere between 10, 20, 30%, and even more. And just to show you an example of this here, one popular vendor is ClickBank. You can actually head inside of ClickBank, you can sign up, it's completely free. Once you're inside, you'll be able to see all the different industries, different niches in which have different products, whether that be e-commerce or health and fitness, like losing fat, things like that. You'll be able to choose one. You could even choose one that's very relatable to you, so it keeps you motivated and willing to want to promote it more. Or maybe the community that you're in is within one of these niches. Now, you can also directly promote businesses as well. So if they're not on ClickBank, you can actually just visit their websites. And so an example of this is like Namecheap. So maybe I wanted to promote Namecheap as a place to buy web hosting and domains. Then what you can actually do is go to the website, and as you scroll down to the very bottom, and this applies for most websites as well. Now, bear in mind, not all businesses will have affiliate programs. However, you'll be surprised at actually how many businesses do have affiliate programs. So to find out, scroll to the bottom of the website, and down here you can see this affiliates. You can actually click onto here. That's going to take you through to kind of the affiliate section, and that's where you can apply now. Now, it doesn't mean 100% that you're going to get into their affiliate program. Some of these affiliate programs are actually quite strict with who they allow to promote their products, because at the end of the day, if they're giving you that access and to promote their product, and you're doing it in very, mischievous ways that could, put a bit of shade on their brand, then they don't want that to happen. So it's really good to have a reputable source of, audience, whether that be something on your YouTube channel, it could be a website, a blog, or, it could just be like a community as well. So definitely they will ask for things like that, ask for the link to your YouTube channel, ask for a link to your website or any community. Now, moving on to method number 2, and that is starting a YouTube channel. Now, starting a YouTube channel is really, really easy to do. All you have to do is just have an account with Google, and then you just start a channel on YouTube. Then all you need is your profile picture, banner, and then maybe some thumbnail designs to get started and ready to go for your first videos. However, the next thing is actually how you can actually make money through YouTube, and that's the part where a lot of people struggle with in the beginning. However, there are so many ways that you can actually make money on YouTube. The most notable way is through the Google AdSense program. However, in order to qualify for the AdSense program, or the partner program as they call it, is you have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours that have been accumulated within a 12-month period. So you can take a look at this image here that I got on screen. You can see the eligibility, as I mentioned, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But also, just recently, in the last 30 days from when I'm recording this video, they actually introduced monetization for shorts, so YouTube shorts. In order to qualify for that, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views. Now, for YouTube shorts, sometimes, it could just take 1 or 2 videos to really just pop off for you to get those views and get up to that 10 million. And in fact, the eligibility for these shorts views, you can see here, is as of October 2022, any shorts views that you get, so if you get started today, they're actually going to count towards, eligibility for the YPP. And that was something that when they first introduced this monetization structure, they didn't actually have. But now you can start accumulating those views now, because this isn't something that they're going to be rolling out until February. And if I scroll up a bit more, we can see here February 1st, 2023, and usually they'll roll this out in different areas. So it could be in North America, could be down in Oceania and things like that. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. Now, I will get into the other ways to make money on YouTube, and actually one of those ways is what we mentioned in the previous method, which is affiliate marketing. However, more so into the monetization through AdSense, you can actually do some research and look at what are some of the most profitable YouTube niches. Because essentially what it means is the higher the CPM, it means the more money you're going to get per 1,000 views. So if you're someone that has a fitness channel and let's say you get 1 million views on a video, then you might actually find that you might earn less money on that video than someone that posts a video about, investing in cryptocurrency or stock market and things like that, sort of like my channel. Another way to make money that is integrated into YouTube is super thanks. So that is where somebody can actually donate directly to your YouTube videos. You know how streamers sometimes they have like super chats, or in Twitch they also have these chats as well, and so they can donate to these streamers. You can actually do that for content creators. So you might even be able to see it in the bottom of this video. There's a little thanks button. I think it has like a little love heart around it, sort of like this logo here. And if you click on it, you can actually donate directly to me through this video. But obviously there's also other external ways, such as having your own business that you can promote through making YouTube videos, having merchandise. You can also do other things like creating info products, which we will get to in just a minute. Moving into method number 3 now, and that is freelancing on platforms like Fiverr. So take a skill that you might have. It could be creating logos, graphic design. It could be creating websites, or it could even just be things like, teaching people English or a different language. So you can go onto a website just like Fiverr here, and you can click onto web design. Let's use that as an example. And if we actually scroll down here, we can see that these are all of the different creators. Now, obviously freelancing, it can be quite a competitive market, especially when you're on platforms like this. So it's always really good to differentiate yourself from the competition. Make sure you're delivering high quality work, and also the way that your listing is listed on these websites. But you could also look into a more unique service that's not really like web design or graphic design. It could be something like, well, this is similar to graphic design, but I know one person who was actually just making money through taking people's profile pictures, so those circles, and then he was just putting a color behind the person's. And he was actually doing this for people that were on Clubhouse when that was actually trending quite a lot. And you had a lot of business owners, entrepreneurs going onto platforms like this. It's all about looking good. So he actually targeted that niche of these business owners who all value, self-improvement, self-investment. And he essentially targeted those people and was able to create these profile pictures for them and have them on Clubhouse so they could stand out on Clubhouse. And that brings us on to method number 4, and that is drop servicing. So you've probably heard of drop shipping, but you might not have heard of drop servicing. And this actually can kind of carry on from the freelance perspective of things. So maybe you can't create websites, maybe you can't design logos or even do, deliver Facebook ads as a service. Well, then what you can do is you can use these freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork or even freelancer.com. And you can actually find someone that can be your fulfillment team. And then you act as the middleman and you go out and find that business and you pretty much manage it in the middle. So just looking here, here's a pretty much like a little life cycle of the drop servicing business model. So let's say this one in the middle here is you. So you are the store. So you can create yourself a website, and then you can go ahead and promote your services on whether that be things like social media, so Facebook, Instagram, or even LinkedIn, where a lot of business owners are. And you actually promote that service B2B. So you always want to target businesses rather than direct to consumer. So you find you start your store, you find your supplier. So you use Upwork, freelancer.com, Fiverr. You find that person that can deliver a high quality project. Then what happens here is you go out and, now this one does say that the client comes to you. However, you do have to be quite a well-established business for that. So what would actually normally happen is you would have to go and find the clients, as I mentioned, on these social platforms. So when you go find a client, then that's when you can actually begin business. So that client, you find them, you do a sales call with them, you close them, invoice them, that's all paid and ready to go. Now you can go ahead and you can contact your supplier and say, hey, I've got a project for you. This is the design brief. Here's the requirements, the client's logos, websites, anything like that, whatever it may be, if it's web design. And then they facilitate that and deliver it. So they fulfill it, you facilitate it, they deliver it through their fulfillment. And then you once they deliver it back to you, you go ahead and deliver it to the client. But you're probably wondering, where do you make the money if if they're charging you X amount and you're charging the client X amount? Well, that's where you find a supplier that has a lower cost. So let's say this supplier here charges you about $500. Let's say $500 for a website. That's atrocious, but $500 for the website, and then you charge the client $1,500 for the website. So you tag on $1,000 there, and yep, easy math there. That is $1,000 profit that goes into your pocket, and that can just get put back into the business. You can take some profit, go have fun, do whatever you want with it, and also put a portion of that back into, trying to find more clients through different advertising means. Now, the fifth and last way to easily get started making money online today is by creating an info product. Now, I wanted to say course, but I wanted to also put that into two different areas. So we have courses and we also have ebooks. So for those who don't really want to be on camera and create a video course, you could also look at ebooks. Now, with a course, I would recommend jumping into Udemy. Udemy is a great place to host your course. What happens there is they don't charge any upfront fees, but what they will do is they will take a percentage fee in any course sales through their platform or for anyone that you link to their platform. So what I would recommend is think of any kind of skill that you reckon you're knowledgeable enough to teach someone in, and you can even go into the category section here and get some inspiration on, and some ideas. And then what you want to do is you want to get started by creating some videos. Now, I did mention earlier, if you don't want to be on camera, then you could go with an ebook route. In fact, you don't have to be on camera either. You could actually do what I'm doing here, sharing my screen, but with no camera here, and just guide people through a screen sharing course. But one of the great things with Udemy is they will actually promote your course for you or advertise it for you on things like Facebook, YouTube, Google, Amazon, Groupon, and more. However, there is a bit of a catch to that one, and that is based on the revenue share model. So it does affect the revenue share model. So any sales that occur through your promotion, so this is if you promote it on Facebook, like let's say you have a link to it and someone comes into Udemy using your link and clicks and buys your course, then you're going to receive 97% of the revenue earned from that sale. However, if anything comes through Udemy, so it could be through a Facebook ad, YouTube ad, or anything like that where they advertise it, then you're just going to receive 37% of that. So that kind of makes sense. They're the ones putting the money into advertising, things like that. But moving into the ebook side of things, we can actually go into Gumroad here, and it's going to make my face look all yellow, this web page. But yeah, essentially Gumroad is a place for you to sell digital goods. So it could be ebooks, it could be different guides, it could be even things like templates, thumbnail templates, anything that you can think is digital but not in a video format. Gumroad is a great place to get started selling on here. So as you can see, open an account, add a product, and just start selling. So this could be things like a fitness guide. So if someone wants to get stronger, you could teach them a way of getting stronger. Someone wants to lose weight and get leaner, you could also make a weight loss guide. Different ebooks like that you can sell. Now, the biggest thing there is you can't just upload it and expect someone to find it and buy it. You have to also realize that there is some advertising involved in there or some promotion involved. So you're going to have to try and find people to buy your product. So that's where it's really good to get on things like YouTube, have an Instagram profile, like have that influence, so any kind of influence. And I think influence is gold nowadays. If you can build an influence, you can make a lot of money doing that. Now that concludes 5 easy ways to make money online right now. If you did enjoy the video, again, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I'm actually going to be creating more videos that's going to break these different methods down, whether it be creating a course, drop servicing, or even creating a YouTube channel on different ways to make money on YouTube. I will actually be making more content that's specific to these topics as well to help you in the long run. But that's all from me today. We'll see you guys in the next one.